Light is emotion. Light is essential. It gives us security and orientation. It controls our inner rhythm. It lifts our mood, and it enhances our performance. At Trilux, we've been setting moods, creating experiences, and simply making people happy with our lighting systems for over 111 years. People who work and plan with light on a daily basis appreciate innovative spirit, quality awareness, and the pursuit of simplicity. Trilux offers all this as the leading provider of professional lighting solutions in Europe, making us a reliable partner for lighting designers and installation technicians worldwide. Our holistic lighting solutions simplify life for both lighting professionals and their clients. Our products are increasingly becoming flexible technology carriers that are simplifying the digital transformation. The environment and climate protection are always top of mind. From initial idea and international supply chains to green production, installation, and recycling. Thanks to resource conservation and energy efficiency maximization, we aim to be operating and manufacturing on a climate-neutral basis as early as 2026. We have a decisive technology and knowledge advantage in our challenging market environment. We bundle our broad-based and international lighting expertise at 11 sites in the Trilux Academy, founded in 2011. Which provides valuable further training to both internal staff and external participants. The Academy shares our know-how in a simple and understandable way, and we also make it accessible to our customers and partners. Today, around 5,000 Trilux employees all around the world are dedicating their passion and expertise to the perpetual quest for perfect light. Together, we're continuously investing in research, development, and in the people who work with us. Because as a lighting expert, Trilux has one paramount goal: to deliver customer value through the consistent simplification of all our products and services. Trilux. Simplify your light.